First, the U-joint cross in bearing cup number 1 is placed into the driveline by hand. Then, using an impact gun or hand wrench, the mechanic rotates the forcing screw. The forcing bolt is rotated until the face of the plunger meets with the outside face of the drive shaft yoke. The installation has been completed quickly and professionally, as proper installation heights of the bearing cups are engineered into the tool as per the manufacturer's specifications to ensure correct installation every time. Now, the mechanic rotates the yoke and repositions the tool onto bearing cup number 2 and repeats the process.